So now let's see how we can work around with shadow settings inside of Blender. So here you can see that I have a cube right here. So I don't want to work around with this. I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and maybe I want to bring in something like a torus right here, just like this. Let me just go around and then shade this torus smooth right here so it looks good on my screen. I'm also going to add in, let's say for example, a plane, and I'm going to scale it by pressing S right here, and there you go. I'm going to go around over here, and immediately once I go on to the render view, it is on EV mode. And how do I know it? It is because over here by default it's EV right here. And now what I want you to look at are the shadows. So as I move along, you can see that the shadows gets pixelated. That is because as I move along, it renders out the rough shadows, and as I leave it, it smooths it out. You can increase and decrease the level of shadow complexity by going on to the shadows area right here. And right now the cube size, that is the resolution of the shadow, is 512 pixels. If I were to go around and change it to 64, you can see that it becomes even more rough. I can go around over here and really turn up the shadow right here, and you can see that now it is much more detailed. I can go for a high with the shadow right here so that the shadow is very, very detailed as well. I can go around with the light threshold right here, increase and decrease that out to change the intensity of the light as well, just like that. And I can go around and change the resolution of the cascade and cube size as well, really make the shadows detailed as much as possible. So it depends on how you want everything to look like, so you can go around and choose the resolution that's best for you. And that is how you can work around with the shadow settings inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.